In this video we are going to share with you 7 internet marketing tips how you can grow your small business in 2019 effortlessly. Please subscribe and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. In the United Kingdom, there were about 5.6 million small and local businesses at the beginning of 2018. These businesses are considered by many as the backbone of the UK economy because they create jobs, open markets, and encourage innovation and competition on a smaller scale. In today's world, small and local businesses need a successful internet marketing strategy to compete with multinational companies and grow your business. Here are some useful tips to optimize your internet marketing strategy in order to reach and engage with your audience as a small or local business. Tip number 1: fully utilize social media platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are your friends. Create useful content related to your business and engage active interaction with your client and prospects. Encourage your existing customers to write reviews for you and respond to questions or problems raised by your prospects. Let the world know that your business exists and ready to help them and add values to them. Broadcast live videos and stories to create emotional contacts with your customers. Give away free content that are personalized and more natural than a multinational company. Take advantage of the fact that you are a smaller scale business and therefore, you are able to show more of the behind the scenes of your business. Tip number 2: encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Create affiliate or referral programs so that more people are willing to promote your products and hence you can reach more prospects effortlessly. You only pay your affiliates commissions when sales are made by them and hence it saves you thousands of dollars in marketing. Tip number 3: let your customers and prospects easily find you. Since you are in small and local business, you will want to focus on geo-targeting your audience. Geo-tag your posts on social media and update your business address on Google Map and Yellow Pages websites like Craigslist. Doing this not only allow your customers to locate your business easily, you can also promote your future events which will be held at this location. Tip number 4: email marketing is your best advertising tool. If you are running a business but you do not engage with email marketing, then you are leaving lots of money on the table. Email marketing is a low-cost but very high-efficiency marketing tool. You have a lot of control in your marketing strategy. You can personalize your email marketing, blast emails and send regular newsletters to your laser-targeted customers. You can track your customers' buying behavior, analyze their browsing and purchasing activities and segmentize your market. Keep your emails short and clear, creative and easy to read with a clear call to action button. Tip number 5: dive into untapped marketing strategy, the voice search. The popularity of voice search has increased significantly since 2018 to the point where it is expected to account for 50% of all searches by 2020. However, many businesses, including multinational companies, still are not actively engaged into this marketing channel. Whether your customers or prospects are using smart speakers such as Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, or directly on their smartphone like Siri or the Google Assistant, these questions are said in a more natural and specific language than in written queries. In that sense, it is crucial for your business to optimize your response with long-tail keywords to deliver better, targeted content, in the objective to improve your click-through rates. An advantage you have as a local or small business can be shown in the way you respond to voice search in a more personalized and conversational way than multinationals, to become closer to your customers. Tip number 6: improve your business visibility in search engines. This is an old-fashioned, yet very effective internet marketing strategy. Never underestimate the power of search engines that give you organic and laser-targeted visitors to your business. Make sure your website is fully optimized for the keywords your customers are typing in to find your products or services. Tip number 7, paid advertising. If you have some budget for internet marketing, paid advertising platforms such as Google Ads, Bing Ads or Facebook Ad will never disappoint you. You will get laser-targeted audiences to your business almost instantly. But you need to make sure that your advertising campaigns are set up correctly so you can track which ads and keywords are winning. If you do not have such experiences, hiring a professional agent to manage your campaigns will be a good idea. This sums up our 7 tips of internet marketing for you to grow your small and local business effortlessly in 2019. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment if you like our videos. Don't forget to grab our extra free bonuses in the description area. Your engagement means a lot to us and give us motivation to create more quality videos for you.